Hey guys, my name is Scott. Welcome back to another review. For today's video, we're taking a look at this hammock. We're gonna unbox it, set it up, and test it out. Okay guys, we didn't set it up 100% how the directions say. We're just doing a mock trial with this before we put in the bolts and everything. But you guys can see this is how it's going to pretty much be, minus, you know, some of the bolts and some of the positioning on it. So just keep that in mind. However, let me go and show you guys how awesome this is. So it is lightweight. Right. It has a pillow. So guys, after you guys just saw a lot of fun, I think you're gonna be happy. And of course you can adjust the height. You know, for us, we just have it mounted on here. So you can adjust the height however you want. So if you want to be up, higher, or lower, you know, doesn't matter. You guys can choose that. So thanks for watching, guys.